Hello friends, today we're going to color Fuse from Oddbods. Fuse is always full of energy and strength, and he's bright red like fire. Let's make him look bold and fun by coloring him together. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's start by coloring Fuse's skin. We'll use a light pink color for his face and hands. This gives Fuse his base look and makes his expression stand out. Next, we'll color Fuse's mouth. Let's use a dark red for the inside of his mouth to give it a strong, bold look, just like Fuse's personality. Now, let's move on to his body. We're going to color his whole body and arms with a bright red. Red is Fuse's main color, and it shows how powerful and energetic he is. Let's carefully color in his entire body to make him stand out. Wow, our Fuse from Oddbods looks fantastic. We used light pink, dark red, and bright red to bring him to life. Great job coloring today. Friends, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time for more fun and creative coloring. Goodbye.